Good morning, guys. I'm going to vlog today because I'm going to see Ate Mimi. Hold on. I'm going to see Ate Mimi and I'm on my way actually at her house now. I just gotta drop off some stuff before going right straight to their house. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog with her because she's going back to Philippines and for like 3 months, I believe. So before she go back, you know, I want to see her. And then it's been a long time that we keep planning to see each other, but the weather is just not cooperating. Even if today it's gonna snow later on, that's why I have to go as early as I can to see her before I drop her off back at her house. So yeah, it's so cold outside, so I have this white coat on. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later.
A few inches later.
Hey guys, we're here at Bonchon. Here. Bonchon. You got bibimbap. I think this is a bibimbap. Yeah. And house fried rice. This reminds me of Chowking fried rice. She's gonna go to Philippines, she's gonna leave me. So yeah, we're just catching up. And after this we're going to Coffee and then Sephora. We're going to Sephora, right? Yeah, we're going to Sephora. And I'm gonna buy a tripod at Best Buy because my tripod is adana siya. Look at this, guys. Okay guys, we're just waiting on our orders. I ordered a shrimp shumai and beef bulgogi, and I forgot what Ate Mimi ordered, but she ordered something. We are here at Bonchon, and I got a lemonade. Hey guys, so this is my order: beef bulgogi and fried shumai, steam rice. Hey guys. We're done at Kung Fu Tea and now we're going inside the mall. So cold. Okay, we're going to Forever 21, guys. Wait, the struggle sa both day is real. Are you heart evangelistas? See, I told you they have a lot of sales. Look at this.
Wait, that's not summer?
Well, ask if they have summer clothes.
Wait, conservative ako.
Yes, $9. They all look, I told you. Look at this. It's only $9. I think this is our summer clothes. She's actually going to Philippines, you guys, so she needs summer clothes. And I'm stuck in Maryland. Look at this. Is it black?
Yeah, it's black.
Black. I told you they have bagsak presyo na yung ano nila, guys, kasi it's winter time here in Maryland and she's actually going to Philippines. Hi vlog. So she's gonna shop for summer clothes. And it's a jelly. She can wear everything she wants. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is more siya bagay siya sa mong jacket. Yung siya ka na mag-film ra ka sa balay.
Wow. Diba? Palitan yun ang tag $9 na mga
So this is all the summer racks clothes right here for $9 right there. Hobadera part 1.
Ako, tag $9 lang. Buy me.
They have $3.90. What is that? Knit leggings?
Uy, cute.
Init ba no ilang leggings dito?
Ha?
Nice ilang leggings. Dali ra siya maroon. Kani ba more siya kanang unsa man ni siya? More siya biker short? I think it's like biker short. That looks nice.
This is nice.
Small.
Mag-masa sa Philippines? Or magbasahin mo ilok ani?
Ambot lang ako, mag-sleeveless man ko dito eh.
Lagi mo magbasa ang
Basa ang ilok. Good luck. They have actually makeup here too, guys, and makeup bags and belts. Look at this belt. Hey guys, we are here in the bathroom. Just got done at Forever 21. Tapos na?
Yeah. Go lang.
Forever 21, and then saan tayo punta next? Go home? Wala na.
Pero hindi
Yes.
ka na maabutan ng snow.
Yeah, we're going home. I'm gonna have to drop her off because it's gonna snow in 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna drive. Hey guys, so I'm still in the car. I'm gonna stop by at Jumbo, which is a Filipino international store. I'm going to get some scallops because my husband wants some scallops, like a baked scallops, and some onion, not onion, but shrimp, and also squid. Yeah, I'm gonna get some squid as well. So since I'm already in the road and the Jumbo is like close to where I'm headed, so I'm just gonna stop there, and then yeah, because it's probably gonna snow later, and I have to double check the weather first, like what time are they gonna snow, because I'm not planning to stay in the road for. Okay guys, I'm here at Jumbo finally. I'm gonna try to vlog inside Jumbo because I didn't really vlog earlier because I'm just enjoying my myself with Ate Mimi earlier, and we were just like shopping. But I'm gonna do a haul that what I got from Forever 21 later when I got home, when I get home. So now I'm gonna go to Jumbo. Thank God I have slippers on because I do have a boots, and I'm not gonna wear boots on Jumbo because my feet hurt already. So let's go. Hey guys, so I didn't vlog inside because there's just too many people out there, and I'm going home. I'm on my way home, but before that I gotta stop at gas station because I'm like literally low in fluid. But I know my car, she's not gonna trip, so I'm going home directly. I will just do a grocery haul and what I got from Forever 21. Yeah, because I totally forgot to vlog while I was with Ate Mimi because I don't know, I was just enjoying myself with her. But anyways, enough of me talking. I'm gonna drive now because it's gonna rain in a couple minutes, so I don't want to be stuck in the road while it's snowing. So I will probably talk to you guys later.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, I'm finally home after 48 years. I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna do a haul right here. I'm gonna do the Forever 21 haul and then the grocery haul downstairs. So here is what I got with this big Forever 21 plastic bag. Anyway, this was unexpected. First thing is this bag. I don't know, I think I need a bigger one because I do have a bag that I always use, which is also, hold on, right here. They're actually kind of like the same, but this is like more bigger and has like a lot of space. I will show you in a minute. But I actually like this bag. You can actually just do this, or you can actually, I'm not even making sense, but here you can actually put this in like in a shoulder bag, or you can put this like this, like that. But yeah, this is from Forever 21 as well. I kind of like the black. I don't know, I was about to get a white purse or like a bag, but I ended up not liking it for some reason because I don't know, I feel like black suits for everything, especially black and gold. I saw this, it was just like, oh my goodness. I mean, look at that. So I think it's the same one. You can actually put like in like a shoulder bag like this, like that, and like the length is just perfect. Like, oh my goodness. And it has two let's see, sides, which is in this side, and then it's like the left and the right side. So it has a lot of space in it, and I like it. So I can put my camera, and even my my gorilla pad, that little gorilla pad. And then yeah, so it has two space, left and right there, and that's the length of the bag. And it's the same as the design. It's like the same with my little bag. Look at the difference. This one is I believe I paid this one for like $22, and this one is 27.90 cents, which is almost $28. So yeah, but then I really do like it because it has more space on it, and I don't have this type of bag, I think. Yeah, but look like that. Ooh, okay. Now next is, I was looking for jeans actually, because I keep repeating my jeans and I need more jeans. Since right here they actually have it on sale, because the Forever 21 jeans price is normally around almost $29, so almost like $30, but this one is on sale, and this is only for $13, which is $12.70, almost, no, $12.90, so it's almost $13. And right here is just high-waisted jeans right there, skinny high-waisted jeans, that's that. And then also I also got a black jeans, since my black jeans from Forever 21 is totally washed out. I need new black jeans. So this is, it's the same price, it's $12.90, and this is how it looks like. It's just plain high-waisted black jeans right there, and I'm size 26 right there. So, and then I also got this what do you call this, jogger pants, not jogger, I don't know how you call this. Hold on. Denim ankle skinny, denim ankle pant, I don't know, it looks like this. It says pant long knit, that's how it looks like. I mean, that's how it says here, pant long knit right there. And it's also $12.90, and right there, it's just comfy, and it actually has pockets. I like it when it comes with that comes with pockets. So that's that, size medium. And then I got this tote bag. It's just so cute, it has cats on it. I'm actually gonna use this, guys, for my work, so I can put like my stuff in here, because my old bag that was for that bag was kind of big, so I was looking for like just a simple tote bag, and this is $3.90, almost $4 for this one. Right there, it has like cats on the boxes. I don't know if you can see, but that's that. And then I got some, because Ate Mimi was looking for some jewelry, and then I was not about to buy a jewelry, but then they were like, they look so good. Okay, this one is a necklace right there. It's just gold necklace, and this one is $5.90. And I got two hoops, which is, this is just the regular plain hoops, which is $3.90, and then this one is $2.90 right there, and also this one. So that. Okay guys, so grocery haul. So I went to Jumbo Food International, and I got some coffee, Copico Premium 3-in-1. They don't have the regular brown and creamy, just the regular brown one, but they have this one and regular Nescafe. I still have a Nescafe, and I want to try this one. This is the Copico Premium 3-in-1, and I believe this is $8, almost $9. And I also got some, let's see, shrimp. This one right here, this is shrimp with head. I like it with head right there. And I believe this is, like I said, $23, almost $24. And I also got some greens. I have here ampalaya, because I'm gonna mix this with egg. I like this one with egg, and I think they call it bitter melon in here in US, but we call it ampalaya in the Philippines. And then I got 2 mangoes. This is really good. right there. Mangoes, 2 mangoes, and I got some garlic right there. Some squid rings. I really like this, guys, when I'm gonna make a calamari, fried calamari. This is really good. You just have to thaw this out and then, you know, coat with the flour and like seasonings. That's what you want. Then this is really good. This is my husband's favorite. He likes it when I cook calamari for him. It's just better. Okay, and then I also got some scallops right there. I'm gonna try to bake some scallops. I'll try, because he wants me to bake some scallops and cook calamari. That's just his favorite. Anyway, because he remember when we were in the Philippines, I think it was in Bantayan. Oh my god, he fell in love with the scallops, you know, the ones with the shell. I was trying to find the one with the shell, but they don't have it. So I don't know if this is any good, so I'm gonna try to bake the scallops. And then, like I said, I got 4 of these. 4. And then I'm also gonna be making spaghetti. So this is the spaghetti sauce, sweet Filipino style spaghetti sauce, and of course spaghetti sauce without no spaghetti. So I also got the spaghetti, and then lastly is this long beans. Yeah, sitaw is what they call it, like this, and this is $2.95. Okay, guys, that is it for today's vlog. I know it's all over the place, and I didn't really vlog while I was with Ate Mimi, because we were just having fun and fun shopping. So yeah, and then I'm gonna try to edit this vlog so it will be up for you guys as soon as possible. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will leave the link of Ate Mimi's YouTube channel. She's almost 100K on her YouTube, so go please subscribe to her channel as well. And then yeah, hope you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.